If you've ever struggled with a campfire that takes too long to start, burns unevenly, or just refuses to stay consistent when you actually need it for cooking, you already know how frustrating outdoor cooking can get. And when you're relying on that fire to cook real meals, not just boil water, those small problems turn into big ones fast. Today, we're taking a close look at the Lineslife wood-burning camp stove, a portable cast iron stove designed for camping, hiking, backpacking, and survival situations. It's built for people who want a reliable cooking source in the outdoors without relying on gas canisters or complicated setups. Instead, it uses natural fuels like wood, straw, and charcoal to create a steady cooking flame. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the first thing you notice is the build. This is an ultra-light titanium gear or a flimsy sheet metal setup. It's cast iron, and you can feel that the moment you pick it up. It has weight, it has presence, and it feels like something that is meant to last through years of use rather than just a few trips. The black finish gives it a classic, almost old-school outdoor cooking feel, like something you'd see in a traditional campsite rather than a modern gadget. The folding design is surprisingly practical considering how solid it feels. The legs rotate and fold down, and the structure compacts into a form that fits into the included carrying case. It's not the smallest stove on the market, but it balances portability with durability in a way that makes sense for campers who care more about reliability than shaving off every ounce. Once set up, it feels stable enough to hold heavier cookware without wobbling, which is important if you're using cast iron pans or larger pots. In real-world use, the airflow system is one of the key strengths here. With multiple air vents built into the design, the stove pulls in oxygen efficiently, helping the fire burn hotter and more consistently than a basic open campfire. That means less time fighting to keep the flame alive and more time actually cooking. Once you get it going, it holds a steady burn, and that consistency is what makes outdoor cooking much more manageable. The combustion chamber is also larger than you might expect, which means you can load it up with fuel and get a solid 40 to 60 minutes of burn time, depending on your material. That's enough to cook a full meal without constantly feeding the fire. For many campers, that alone makes the experience feel far less stressful. Ease of use is fairly straightforward. Assembly doesn't take long, and once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. Cleaning is also manageable since you're dealing with ash rather than complex fuel systems or burners. After it cools down, you can simply empty the ash and pack it back into its case. Of course, there are trade-offs. At around 7 pounds, this is not a stove you want to carry on long, ultralight backpacking trips. If your goal is to minimize pack weight as much as possible, there are lighter titanium options that make more sense. This stove is better suited for base camps, car camping, survival kits, and situations where durability matters more than weight. Compared to other camping stoves in a similar price range, the Lineslife model stands out because of its cast iron construction. Many competitors use thinner steel that heats up quickly but doesn't retain heat as well or last as long under heavy use. While those lighter stoves win on portability, they often lose on long-term durability and cooking stability. This one leans in the opposite direction, prioritizing strength and consistent performance. This stove is ideal for campers who want a dependable fire-based cooking system, survivalists building emergency kits, or outdoor cooks who prefer real flame cooking over gas burners. If you're someone who enjoys the process of building and maintaining a fire, this will feel natural. But if you're looking for something ultra-light or ultra-fast, you might want to explore other options. Overall, the Lineslife wood-burning camp stove delivers exactly what it promises: a sturdy, reliable, and simple cooking solution for the outdoors. It doesn't try to be fancy or overly modern. Instead, it focuses on doing one job well, and for the right type of user, that's exactly what makes it worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more honest outdoor gear breakdowns, and check the link in the description if you want to see current pricing or grab one for your next trip.